there, fashionistas! In this fashion segment, we will take you through many ways of styling a scarf. Scarves have been around for centuries. They are a global staple and possibly the most versatile fashion accessory. Be it the unforgettable Audrey Hepburn head wraps or the recent turbans, scarves have been making fashion statements for decades now. And if you're someone who enjoys wearing scarves and styling it, then this video is just for you. While there are tons of scarf knots and styling tips available online, we have handpicked a few super simple ones that you can style yourself in less than a minute. Watch on as we show you some easy chic scarf knots to style your outfits with that added panache. When you're wearing a nice designer top or a chic outfit, then you need not hide it with a scarf. In this case, you just need to wrap it around your neck in a way that it does not cover or overshadow your outfit. If you want to play with your outfit and get creative with scarf styles, then here are a few that you can try. If you want to sport a carefree look that's easy to carry and looks super chic, then you should definitely try these. You can also style a scarf with a jacket or an open shirt. Here is how. Pick your scarves in sync with the seasons. Choose from materials like woolen, silk, pashmina, chiffon, cotton, linen. So that's all for this video. Do try these scarf knots and share your pictures in the comment section below. Also subscribe now to be beautiful.